Hi guys, the topic for this time is all about square a number ending in 5. So ang gagawin ito guys, itong mismong ating technique, how to solve this one, nangyari ito siya in 2 digit, tapos ending niya always 5. Okay? Para malaman nyo guys, we have a question over here. Okay, the question is, number 1 question, problem, 75 to the power of 2. Anong gagawin nyo guys without any using calculator para ma-solve to? We have multiple choice here. So guys, if you know the answer, you know the drill, please do comment first the answer in the comment section area. But if you don't know the answer, please do continue to watch this video para malaman nyo guys, paano ba ito sugatan to yung ating pong mga math problems, okay? So, now guys, para malaman nyo yung sugatan to, so let's start now to answer this kind of problem. So let me first read again the question. Now, the question is, a problem 75 to the power of 2. Ang gagawin natin guys dito is itong ating munang, kung nakikita nyo po, itong 7, ang unang, ano pong next po na number ng 7? That is 8. Ito po technique ha. So first mo, i-multiply nyo po muna, 7, next number ng 7 is 8. Sorry guys, busy po tayo. So, 7 times 8, that is 56. Okay? 56. You put it over here, 5, 6. Tapos, itong mismong 5, siya lang po yung i-square natin. So, 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Itong 25, ididikit mo lang po doon sa pinakauna pong 2 digits. So, it means that the answer, 5625. So, in our multiple choice po, that is letter C. Ganun lang po ang technique without any using calculator. So, para ma-evaluate natin kung marunong po kayo sagot na katulad po nito, we have question over here. Problem, 95 to the power of 2. So, what is your answer? I think you can answer this one without any using calculator now. So, God bless and good luck.